Hey guys, today I want to share this awesome book with you called How to Draw Adorable by Carlianne Tipsey. I was lucky enough to get an advanced reader copy and I wanted to share with you one of the pages I really loved. So this page is a practice page where you can practice drawing, for example, a cactus, and it gives you suggestions for adding an emotion, a prop, and an action and things like that. So I'm going to try it out with a cactus one. So starting out on my paper and pencil, I'm going to be drawing the top of that planter pot with a slightly curved line. Going to draw two curved lines down on each side for the top of the pot and connect with another curved line underneath. For the bottom of the pot, I'll do a diagonal line that angles in a little and another one on the other side. I will then connect with another curved line that connects them. Next, I will draw a big curved line for the cactus and then a small, tiny little smile with two eyes for an adorable little cactus face. Now I have my emotion. Next, I'm going to add props. So for example, I'll add a cute little flower at the top. And I will add a pattern to the pot. You can design your pattern however you like, but I'll start with some stripes and fill each of these in with different patterns, like a zigzag. Down here, I'll add some vertical stripes. And now it's time to add an action. I'm gonna have a cute little cactus arm waving out here with two little motion lines to show it's moving and waving. And to finish off my pencil drawing, I'll add a few little thorns because it's a cactus. For color, I'm going to be using these Ombre Gel Pens by Crayola. These are super fun because you can actually click down to make 3 different shades of each color. For example, this purple one, there's dark purple. You can click down light purple or this red-violet color. I'm going to start out with the green one and I'm going to click down the darkest green. I'm going to start with an outline of this dark green and then add a little bit of light shading along the edges. This adds a little bit of a 3D effect. Clicking down that lighter green, I'm adding a little bit more green around the edge and outlining that cute little face and flower with purple. After I've done my pen lines, I'm going to erase any pencil lines that are left behind. Now I'm going to be using these awesome Colors of Kindness crayons, and each of these crayons has its own unique name. So for example, the first crayon I'm going to be using is called Kind to the Core, and its color is Granny Smith Apple. The next one is Keep Moving Forward, and its color is called Inchworm. I'm going to use these two colors to fill in the rest of my cactus, coloring right on top of the gel pen and blending them in. The next color I'm using is called Nurture Nature, and its color is called Orchid. This one is called Best Buddies, and its color is called Wisteria. I'm going to go back in for my pot and use those Ombre Gel Pens. I'm clicking to use the 3 different values of each pen, starting with that light blue, and I'm adding patterns as I go. Moving on to the pink gel pen, this one is really nice the way it fills it out, and it has some really cool colors in it. I've finished the gel pens and I'm ready to go back to my colors. This color is called A Slice of Nice, and its color is called Melon. This crayon is called Hello Sunshine, and its color is called Crayola. This crayon is called Spread Your Wings, and its color's name is Robin's Egg Blue. This crayon is called Seize the Day, and its color is sea green. I'm going to finish up my drawing by adding a nice blue shadow around the bottom. And now I have created my adorable cactus using How to Draw Adorable by Carlianne Tipsey, also using Ombre Gel Pens by Crayola and the Colors of Kindness crayons by Crayola. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.